Solving geometry problems by using two variables. So let's say we're given this problem. A rectangular parking lot has a length that is 10 feet more than twice its width. The perimeter of the parking lot is 620. What are the dimensions? Remember, you can screenshot again. I'm going to do the work here on this paper that we have set up. So, let's say we're given this parking lot. It's rectangular. So I'm going to do my best to draw a semi-decent rectangle. We know something. We have a length on a rectangle and we have a width on a rectangle. But it tells us it has a length that is 10 feet more than twice its width. A length that is equal to 10 feet more than 2 times its width. We also know that if we were going to find a perimeter, we would add up 2 widths plus 2 lengths. Because we have 2 sides that are lengths and 2 sides that are widths. And perimeter is adding up the whole thing. Well, the interesting thing to note, we know that length is equal to this, 10 more than 2 times the width. So instead of length here, we could actually put this. This is just like substitution. So we get 2w plus 2 times 2w plus 10. Instead of L, we're going to write this because that's what L equals. That's what the length equals. So perimeter is equal to 2w plus, distributing through, 4w plus 20. So 6w plus 20 is equal to the perimeter. Well, it told us that we want a certain perimeter that is equal to 620. So instead of p, we're going to write 620 for the perimeter. And 6w plus 20. Subtracting 20 from both sides, we get 600 equal to 6w. And dividing by 6, w equals 100 feet. Well, to find length, all we have to do is plug into the equation that we had up at the top. That was length was equal to 2 widths plus 10. Or, instead of widths, we're going to put 100. So length is equal to 2 times 100 plus 10, or 200 plus 10, 210. Way to double check ourselves. If we have 2 widths, that would be 210 plus 210, which is 420, plus 2 of these, which would add on 200 more, 620, that equals our total perimeter. And remember, this is also in feet. So the cool thing is we can use two variables to actually solve geometric problems as well.